Welcome to 445 Crossbeam Circle East in Casselberry, Florida. It's a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home with a pool and a spa, as well as a yard being completely fenced in at the back of the house. Right now we're taking a look at the outside. This is in the middle of the day. You can hear how quiet it is and peaceful. Everything on the street is very well taken care of. Let's take a look inside. The home has a combination of mature landscaping as well as some freshly planted flowers and plants that are going to grow in real nice over the next 6 months to a year. Let's take a look inside. Once we get inside, this is your entrance inside the home. On your left is a dining room. All the floors inside of this home have a great 12 by 24 porcelain tile laid out. Every room is equipped with ceiling fans, and the ceilings are textured. Don't know if you can see that in the video. Living room flows into the dining room, which has an entrance into this huge back patio. We'll take a look at that in a minute. If you spin around, you get a reverse view, what it looks like in the dining room and living area. And now let's take a walk into the kitchen. Kitchen is a nice open concept with a huge breakfast bar, eating area. Granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, brand new solid wood cabinetry, soft closed doors and hinges. Also on this side here, you got a nice little desk area where kids can do their homework. You can pay your bills or whatever you want to do. There's a closet pantry in here, a nice fireplace with an accent wood wall over there. Lots of natural light in this area as well. You can see 2 skylights up there, throw in a nice natural look to the home. And again, we'll take a look from over here so you can see how big the kitchen is. And then you have a family area in here to do whatever you want. Okay, let's go take a look at the master bedroom. Wood floors, wood laminate floors in all the bedrooms. And again, nice bright ceiling fans. Over here, you got your walk-in closet. In here is your master bath, where you got a huge mirror, double vanity, granite, all the good stuff. Real nice modern fixtures as well. And then you get to one of my favorite features of the home, which is the master shower, which is humongous. Room for 2 in here. It's a little bit of a glare on the window, so give you a little look in here. Really nicely appointed master shower. As we come out of here, there's your double vanity again. The master bedroom also has its own sliding glass door into the back patio area, as well as the pool. And you can take a look at your little, I shouldn't say little, huge hot tub in the back there. Head back over to this side of the home. This is one bedroom. Again, you can see lovely flooring in each bedroom. Huge oversized baseboards on the floor, ceiling fans in the room, and closet. The other 2 bedrooms look pretty much the same. Got a little view outside going on here. You can see the back of the house, a little picture of the pool, and then your closet. Going into bedroom number 4. A little more of the same. Again, a little shot of the pool. Should get you in the outside. There's your closet. Great floors. Really nicely decorated house. And then we come to bathroom number 2. Over here, you got your nice custom mirror, vanity with granite, new cabinetry, and then you got your to the ceiling porcelain tile design going on in your bathroom number 2 as well. One of the neat things about this house is that you have a door that you can head straight out. That door takes you out to the pool and the patio area, so you don't have to drag a bunch of dirt and mud and get wet everywhere inside the house. Folks in the pool can just walk straight into the shower. So that's great. Now we're going to take a look at the back. And then, this is one of the nicer features of this house. What you're looking at is a humongous, totally enclosed, cool patio area. It does have ceiling fans as well, if you want to run those on a hot day, but right now the sun is out and it's actually pretty cool back here. You get a little reverse view of the kitchen and the dining area and your master bedroom. But this is really great out here. When you're not working, you got a choice of going in this nice hot spa at the end of a long day. And it's actually quite large. And just to give you an idea of how big this entertainment area is out here. You can play with your kids, invite friends over, whatever it is you like to do. And then lastly, we get out into the pool area. This is a lovely pool, just resurfaced recently, so it's like brand new. The pool is totally enclosed with a screen, so it's very easy to keep clean. And there are some plants, not too sure how much you can make out in the shadows, but all this is nice, fresh plants. And again, this house has an irrigation system, so everything is in place to keep everything lush and green for years to come. And that's it for 445 Crossbeam Circle East.